Hello everyone, welcome to another fishing video. Today I'm in one of my little favorite lakes. I actually brought my boat, but it just did not work out, so I'm gonna be fishing from the bank. I just gotta find access. I also want to fish the Grand Calumet River, which is just up here. Hopefully we can make it through. Hopefully we don't get no ticks on us. So stay tuned. It is extremely windy today. It wasn't like that in the forecast, but unfortunately it's just really windy. I gotta watch my step because I don't remember, something was laying here, a deer. I don't remember where I need to go. I remember it was bumpy, so I just gotta be careful. Ooh, that patch over there was extremely thick. I have to find a different route. I wouldn't be surprised if I have a whole bunch of ticks on me. I did put repellent on, but man, that was rough. I'm gonna try to fish Grand Calumet and then work on these smaller lakes over here. Gotta find a good spot where I can cast. There's like a spillway right here a little bit. We're gonna try that. Hopefully we have success. But man, it's been rough. Man, it's been rough. Good thing there's a trail on this side. Should be a little easier to walk. Man, that was rough. All right, first area here. Gonna see if we can catch ourselves a smallie or a largie. Whatever comes first. I'm not picky. Whew. That was rough. I don't see no activity in the water. Let's try to go somewhere that side. Hopefully that trek was a little worth it. Going with the 4-inch paddle tail, 4-inch Helgermite. See how that goes. See if we can get that fish that was over there to bite. Hopefully we can catch one. There's a bridge on that side, but it's just too crazy to get through. Should have brought my machete too. I'm not prepared. There's a bite. There's a bite. Got him. Oh, that's a good size. That is a good size largemouth, guys. Oh man, that's good. Let's bring him this way. Oh, he got off. My gosh, that was a good size. He wasn't hooked all the way. Dang it. He was not hooked all the way. Well, that would have been a huge largemouth. Maybe 3 pounds, 2.5 pounds for sure. So frustrating. Another bite, I think. Either that or the current kind of took it. Probably that's what had happened. I got that one. I saw that one coming. Not the size that I want, but man, that other one was pretty big. That stinks. That's okay though. We're on the board. The good old Helgermite right here. Try to see if we can get this fish. Good old Helgermite. Not bad. Okay. Not too bad. We're on the board now, so let's keep casting this sucker. I had a feeling the Helgermite was gonna be good here. It always is. Yeah, I saw, once I pulled it up and let it go down, I saw that fish go get it. At least my camera won't shut off. I cracked the lens on this too before going to Mexico, which Mexico wasn't the best trip ever. Was able to go fishing in Durango and did not catch anything. Durango's having a really rough time right now with heat, and like they've been going 2.5 months. There you go. Oh, that was a smallie. That was a smallmouth, right in the current. Dang it. I don't know, today is, I'm off today big time. I set the hook awkward. Kind of messed up my wrist a little bit, but I don't know, man. I don't know what's going on with me. That was a decent sized large smallie too. Anyways, as I was saying, I was really interrupted by this nice smallmouth. That Durango's going, well, Mexico, but Durango, like their temperature, their daily temperature, their average is like 91, 92. When we were there, some of them was like 96, 97, and that's every single day that we've been there. So I think the only day that wasn't that bad was I think Wednesday that we were there, one of the Wednesdays, and it was like 90. When we first got there, it wasn't too bad, but we got there late, and yeah, it was like 89 degrees, and that was like, wow, you know, it was crazy. Well, I forgot one of my batteries in the car, so here I go going back through this enchanted forest. This area, very secluded. So I always bring my sidearm, and I always bring a small carbine, a 9mm, because you never know. My hope is to really never use it, but if I have to, I have it. Whew. I regret that, man. I can't believe I forgot my batteries. I had them in the boat in a little bag, and yeah, I regret not bringing it. Finally back here, my stuff's still there, which is a win. All right, back to fishing. Oh my God. That felt good. That was not a largemouth. I mean, that was not a bluegill. I don't know what that was, but it was powerful. I felt that sucker. I'm gonna try to cast right here. It's kind of with the wind, but hopefully we can catch something. I know this was a good area earlier. If I had my waders, that'd be perfect right there. I got one, a little one, and he's small, but I got him nonetheless. Okay, not too bad, not too shabby. Thought he was a little bit bigger, to be honest. Felt a little bit bigger. This hitchhiker on my boot. Oh, hopefully I don't get. Guys, we're back almost where we started. This was tough. This was tough. It's been a tough day today. Missed a couple big fish, and yeah, we'll see. We'll see what we can do. I might switch over to the bigger spinner bait. There's a nice largemouth there. See if he gets. Yep, he got it. That's a good size. Get him in here before he gets away. That's a decent size right here. Biggest one for sure of the day. Good size largie. Little skinny, but good size largemouth here. Need to take a picture. Biggest largemouth of the day. Nice. He was decent. He wasn't too big, but he's probably like half a pound, maybe one. On a good day, he's one. Alright, well, that's better than nothing. Better than I've done all day. I really want to try the that other bait as well. I might put the bigger spinner. I think I have it on the bigger rod. Hey, how's it going? Yeah, largemouth, real big bluegill. I believe I saw some crappie too, if I'm not mistaken. The largemouth here, at least they're not that big. The ones that are a little bit bigger on that side, yeah. But this one, from the times that I've caught, I think the biggest is like 2 pound largemouth. For anything that bites. I'm sorry? Yeah, just small. I think the largest one was like 1.5 pounds, if that. Yeah. If you go over those, like that little hill that's up there, that's the Grand Calumet River. So you'll get some smallmouth there. Yeah. Yeah, but there's pretty big sunfish here. Yeah. I'm sorry? No, I just catch and release. Yeah. Oh, I see 2 quality largemouth. Let me see if they will go for the Helgermite. That big one had it in it. I mean, the smaller one, of course, the more aggressive of the two. Can I get them though? I mean, they're not big. By all means, they're not big, but He had it in his mouth and spit it out. That jerk. Got him. I got the bigger one. Oh, okay, he's not that. Oh, he's actually pretty decent. But I got the bigger one of the two. This guy's pretty big, actually. I'm not gonna complain about that. Huh. This guy is decent size. Very nice. Mr. Helgermite does it again. Right there. Very nice. Let's get away on this guy real quick. I'm guessing either 2 pounds or 2 pounds and a half. 2 pounds or 2 pounds and a half max, I want to say. I'll zero out. Pounds. He is 2 pounds. 2.7. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. 2.7 is not bad at all. I'll take a 2.7. Let's just call it 2 pounds. Nice. 2 pound largemouth. Very nice. I thought he was a little smaller than that. Well guys, I think that's gonna do it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys for the support. Please consider liking and subscribing, and I'll definitely catch you guys in the next video.